So with the chassis completely stripped, it was time for blasting. So this is Russell, who helped me install that two-post lift that you can see as well. It's come with his big truck with a cherry picker in case we needed it, but it was easy enough with two of us because it's reasonably light to pick it up and just chuck it on the back of his van so we can get it over to a place called Brockton Shop Blasters, who are near Stafford, which is quite close to where I live. And then it was going to go over to Sportmotive. So we're just about to get on the road here and get it over to Brockton. Few weeks later now, and this was just before it got picked up and sent to Sportmotive. All the paint's off it, so it's bare metal. It will need another blast, obviously, because therell be some surface rust. You can see we expected that hole. We knew about that one. A bit further down here, you'll see that this is the where the pedal box goes. Those holes are quite a bit bigger than I expected around there. And then, as we go a bit further down, there's a cheeky new hole that's appeared here. I didn't know that one was there. So that's quite a new one, and behind that well doesn't look so pretty either. So Sportmotive will have a good look at that as they're helping me out a little bit on the chassis. Obviously I'll paint them. Yeah, rest of it's looking pretty good here. Actually, I wasn't too unhappy about these bits. Always looking pretty smart, pretty solid. Frame number there, or chassis number should I say? But yeah, looking quite nice around the suspension mounts. Nothing too horrible. Tried to look inside as well. It's looking pretty clean, I think. And then as we move a bit further down, you can see this is that's where the battery goes. Nothing too worrying there, which is good. And then as we move further down, I was hoping there was no more holes there. You can't see anything too bad up around there. Looking inside the seams. So pretty good. Obviously we've got a bit more kind of holes coming up a bit further down the chassis around here, as we knew. But I mean, that's nothing unexpected. There's that broken bolt that I left in there for Sportmotive. Sorry about that. But other than that, you know, it's actually in pretty good shape, apart from that one hole. So I was pretty impressed with that, I think. A few shots from Sportmotive here as well. Just a lot more surface rust because it got transported in a bit of rain, unfortunately. But the two holes we know about, the new cheeky hole, and you can see it's definitely in the right place at Sportmotive. A couple of other chassis there waiting on the table, hopefully being done this week. Better get on with getting all the bushings out of that suspension, I suppose.